found that there was still a group of developers who are a bit slow to take up agentic coding tools. And AIxTech was actually designed to actually try to incentivize these people to get started as quickly as possible, but also importantly to get started and do proper agentic coding, not bytecode, but use the best practices, the known techniques that produces reliable, secure code. So we came up with a curriculum that provides the community proven best practices that will achieve secure, robust working code.
It's never been a better time to be a developer. I think really what we see from developers using AI coding tool is they're able to code more stuff, be more creative, explore ideas faster than they've never been able to do. So really, AI coding is really super exciting from that for developers, because you can prototype things super fast, try, learn. It's really exciting for that.
Hopefully, through this partnership, we can enable more people to really learn how to use AI the correct way. It's an exploratory phase everyone is in, but by bringing together people, it becomes a community-based learning, which is of very high value in my opinion.
I think one advantage of joining the AIxTech program is that it allows you to switch and change different agent providers. So right now we have Hero, we have Codex, and we have GitHub Copilot. And every month I can decide to change to a new provider. They have their own scaffold, they have their own harness. I can experiment and try with different model types. And this allows me to solidify the understanding that I have of these various agents, and it gives me a better understanding of how these models will work when I bring it back to the workplace.
We have already made it mandatory for all our tech professionals to take the AI trainings and courses to make sure that they are aware of the latest technology and they are able to do the coding using the latest technology. I feel that the course is very suitable for the tech professionals, since the different models and the technologies advancing so quickly. What we have known today may be outdated tomorrow already. So I want to make sure our team is being equipped with always the latest technology, and they are aware of what is happening from the different tools and take advantage of the technology.